Hey guys, here's another item you can use to upgrade your home or office. This is a 5-pack set of door handles. They are great for drawers, doors, anywhere in the house. You can use it on the furniture. It is made of aluminum, which is lightweight, durable, and has a peel and stick feature, which is really cool. You don't need to screw anything in. Super easy installation. You just peel this off and there's an adhesive on it already, and you just place it anywhere you need. I was concerned using it on this cabinet because my doors are old and they're a little bit sticky. So if I just try to pull it, you can see the handle firmly on there. That adhesive works very well. It has transformed my cabinet in this hallway. Take a look at what it looked like before. And that's what it looks like now. These handles come in a few color options and they're all great. This is one of the easiest home improvements I've ever done.